Good morning, Jasmine. My name is Lakeisha Clark, and I'm a social worker for the Department of Social Services. My role here today and moving forward is to provide any assistance you may need to help you overcome any challenges. Before we get started, I wanted to go over some very important information about your rights as a client and the limits of confidentiality. What we will be going over today is called informed consent. As your social worker, I want to assure you that all sessions will be kept confident. Anything you share with me in our sessions will remain private. However, there are situations where I may have to disclose the information that you share with me without your consent. I am a mandated reporter, so if you shared any information with me that indicates abuse or neglect of a child, an elderly person, or anyone who is not capable of reporting the issue themselves, I may have to get someone involved. This may not be the case with you, but I just wanted to be completely transparent with you and let you know my legal obligation. For as far as you, if you were to share anything um, or any thoughts of suicidal thoughts with me, or any intentions of harming yourself, this will be another one of those situations where I will have to get someone involved. This is only to protect you. I have a duty to protect you and to ensure your safety. So I would have to get someone involved to make sure you are getting the proper care. The next one is similar, is my duty to warn. So same thing, if you were to disclose or share thoughts of harming someone else, I would have to report that as well. If the court were to subpoena your records or case files for a legal proceeding, I would have to disclose the information, but I would advocate for the court to only subpoena the records or the files that were relevant to the case. That way, your whole file won't be disclosed to the court. Um, and usually they will honor that. Usually they will. I also want to let you know that I do speak with my supervisor from time to time to discuss my cases. If I'm working with you and I'm stumped on what the next step should be in your treatment, or even sometimes the best treatment option. She has more experience than I do, so I do tend to look up to her for guidance in some of my cases. My supervisor does have access to all the files in this facility, so it's not necessarily breaking confidentiality, but I just wanted you to be aware. I know all of this information can be a bit overwhelming, but it is important that I be transparent with you regarding these limits. Do you have any questions?